Okay, this is Gary. He's gonna do the drop soldering method right now. These are the ones for the foxtail, right?
Yeah, there's 6 off. So now the oxygen on. Something like that's good. That's a lot of heat there. And this is small metal, so it will be playing with the flame a little bit. I'll keep my solder pitch in my right hand, my left hand,
The left hand, yes.
because I can control that. That's a small motor movement, fine motor movements with your dominant hand.
This
So
is drop.
I'm going to focus right here on this edge. So you see that get shiny? That means the flux is there. There it went. And I'm not sure if that filled. I see a little line there, so sometimes when I'm doing it this way, I will literally just turn it back, flip it back over. Easier said than done sometimes. Okay? And hit it this way and let gravity take care of it, the rest of it.
Okay.
And I let that solder remelt again. But notice how red that gets up, gets red faster
Really
there.
does.
So that's why I'm playing it.
Let me pick it up.
Okay. So this one is also a drop. Focus there. You see how fast that went? Okay, I'll do that, but I don't think I need to. But you see how there's not a big wad of